Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use High Dynamic Range (HDR) on Android camera. The HDR feature aims to make the photos you capture on your Android device as realistic as possible. To set up the camera, go to the Photo app on the bottom of your screen. You will see More icon. Slide to the More option. At the More area, you will see the HDR option. Tap on it to activate HDR mode. When you use HDR on an Android camera, multiple photos are taken in quick succession. All of these photos are taken at different exposures and combined together to form the resultant HDR image with better color accuracy and detail, and this all happens automatically in the background on the device itself with no user involvement. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.